All achievements, including every fortune ever built, have their beginning in an idea. The wealth comes from tuning the idea from something we can see in our mind's eye alone into something that serves other people, and for which they are willing to pay. This is done through auto-suggestion, organized planning, mastermind association, and inner harmony between the thoughts of your mind and the actions and achievements of your life. You literally become and achieve what you think about all day long. To control your life, control thoughts. The power of thoughts. You literally become and achieve what you think about all day long. To control your life, control thoughts. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, man is capable of bringing into reality. The first step to riches, desire. 1. Fix in your mind the exact amount of money you desire. 2. Determine when you intend to start giving for the money you desire. 3. Establish an exact date when you intend to process the money you desire. 4. Create a plan for carrying out your desire, then put it in action. 5. Write down the amount of money you desire, the date you will get it, and your plan to get there. 6. Read your right and statement aloud, twice a day. See and feel yourself already in possession of the money. The second step to riches, faith. Faith is strong, emotionally charged belief. Ideas are being transformed into huge fortunes all around us. Using the medium of faith, you can join that group of people with great achievements. The third step to riches, auto-suggestion. Man is the master of his own destiny because he has the power to influence what he thinks about using the techniques of auto-suggestions. Auto-suggestion is the agency of control through which an individual may voluntarily feed his subconscious mind on thoughts of destructive nature, or, by neglect, permit thoughts of a destructive nature to find their way into this rich garden of the mind. The fourth step to riches, specialized knowledge. Learn more. The intelligent direction of specialized knowledge is the most frequent way of amassing wealth. The fifth step to riches, imagination. The imagination is the workshop in which all plans can be fashioned and prepared for action. It has been said that men can create anything which I can imagine. The sixth step to riches, organized planning. 1. Create a mastermind group. 2. Decide what you can offer your mastermind team. 3. Meet with your team member twice a week. 4. Maintain harmony. The seventh step to riches, decision. Successful peoples have the habit of reaching decision quickly and changing them slowly if you ever. Successful people procrastination. Reach decision too quickly. Change decisions slowly. The eighth step to riches, persistent. Willpower, desire and persistence are essential for the transmuting of desires into monetary equivalents. The ninth step to riches, the power of the mastermind. You automatically take on the habits and power of the people you are associated with. Control this by performing a mastermind group who can assist you to achieve your dreams. Coordination, knowledge, and effort, in a spirit of harmony, between two or more people, for the attainment of a definite purpose. The 10th step to riches, the mystery of sex transmutation. Sex transmutation involves the transfer of sex desire into a motivating force for financial achievements. Sexual energy is an incredible powerful energy which can enhance your creativity, passion, enthusiasm, and persistence. The 11th step to riches, the subconscious mind. Positive and negative emotions cannot occupy the mind at the same time. The 12th step to riches, the brain. Every human brain is capable of picking up vibrations of thought which are being released by other brains. The creativity imagination receiving set of the brain, which receives thoughts released by the brains of others. Capable of both broadcasting and receiving thoughts directly to or from other people. The 13th step to riches, the sixth sense. It cannot be described to a person who has not most read the other principles of the philosophy, because such a person has no knowledge and no experience with which the sixth sense may be compared. Becomes more profound when you start tuning into your subconscious mind.